What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hannah back with another video, and today I am back with a special one featuring my sister Kenil.
Hello.
Ken.
I'm excited to be back.
We are also sitting in my brand new apartment. I mean, obviously, if you've been watching my videos, it's very similar. We didn't move too far. We also have wood floors. Anyways, it's just exciting. Okay, y'all are gonna get a video all about my apartment, like probably right after this one. So, but today I'm gonna be turning this bush into me. People are always telling us in public, like,
are you twins?
they're like, what if we did try to look just like each other?
Yeah.
So I even have like a little outfit picked out for her. I literally just did my makeup, probably finished about 10 minutes ago. So I remember real clearly what I did to my face. So I'm gonna try to do the same thing to her face and see what happens. Since I haven't filmed like a makeup video in a fat minute and I've been working at Ulta, I actually have a good few things that I'm gonna be putting on Kendall's face that I've been loving and that I want to talk to you guys about that are like pretty affordable and
I'm excited.
exciting, yeah. Alright, I have a little drinky poo here. I did turn 21 on the 20th, so that was like last week, so I'm still kind of celebrating, you know. Okay, so let's get going. Oh, I didn't get the priming oil, but you don't want that on your face, right?
Yeah, no, hard pass for me.
Well, there's the vitamin C priming oil by Pixie I've really been liking to use, if anyone was wondering. But right now I'm about to put on her face the Covergirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk stuff that they come out with. I think it's made with coconut milk. Yes, it's made with coconut milk and aloe extract. And when I put this on your face, you're gonna kind of get a slight fragrance. And I know you're just talking about how you don't like fragrance.
Oh, it's okay.
I mean,
It's vegan.
so hopefully this is your color like it is mine. Should I zoom in? Should I reach? I wish I could like. Who's the mom in The Incredibles? She's like
So sick.
dude. Elastigirl. Yes, dude.
Imagine.
Did you fart?
No. You smell something? I mean, Lincoln is right here.
I know.
Like, he like has the loudest dog farts I've ever heard.
It's really
I have a.
but it's also like a good amount of coverage. Just like a light.
It smells clean, actually, now.
Right?
Yeah, I feel like I can kind of smell it.
I think it's a good shade for you.
What's it called?
Just light.
So what do you think is going to be the hardest thing to make me look like you? My nose?
Or the eyebrows.
Oh, yeah.
But I feel like the eyes would be pretty easy in a face part.
I mean, my eyes I think are like average and yours are like big, so.
I think we'll look good by the end of this.
Like
All the way, like literally.
I've been so white too because I've been layering on the sunscreen.
Wait, can you say that again?
I've been layering on the sunscreen.
Oh yeah, this is making everything better. I'm checking that. Such a polite word. It's literally like the most polite word you could use.
Zit. Pimple.
What's another word?
Planet. Curator.
I guess that's post acne.
Okay, so what I'm gonna use next is actually the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer with the satin finish, you guys. This is literally a dupe for the Shape Tape by Tarte. Please try it if you have it.
Especially if you need a concealer that has really good coverage, you know, a little bit goes a long way, and it's hydrating, because everyone needs hydration right now during this time of year.
This is the shade Fair Beige. I'm actually gonna put this just on your lids first and then your eyeshadow first.
And then, okay.
So, on top of that, I'm putting the new Halo Glow Setting Powder by e.l.f. as well. Y'all, I wasn't expecting me to all of a sudden have all these e.l.f. products
pink?
that I loved either, but I do.
Like, yeah, it's
Light pink. So this is the shade Light Pink. Yeah, and it's like a luminous kind of. Like, it's really good to where it lasts all day.
I feel like it's getting all over me.
It's not though. It really isn't. It doesn't cause a bunch of mess. They do make it in other shades.
Does this foundation need to be set?
Well, I personally do, especially with wearing masks. Just,
Oh.
you know, like just make it concrete in there. What?
Did you just get on me?
oh my god!
You're already complete. Oh. She needed a t-shirt to wear and she's wearing my old merch shirt.
Which you should bring back. Your merch stuff was cute.
Since COVID happened, they like stopped making an 100% cotton line that I only make merch stuff, you know, because it's like sustainable and whatnot. I will go get my brush and dust your face off.
Easy little thing. Six one here.
Oh my god, that was so graceful. Thank you. Okay.
Nice.
Is that Maya? What's she doing over there?
I took a few sips.
I hope my mic is working. Oh my god. Are you working, babe? That's the thing. I don't know because my camera doesn't tell me. Yeah, it's plugged in. It's always plugged in.
Oh, well, have you done?
It'd be really funny if I discover it's not later. But yeah, on to the eyeshadow. So eyeshadow, we are going to be using my new Beauty by
Beauty Bay?
Beauty Bay times Nikki Tutorials eyeshadow palette. That was a challenge.
So pretty.
To say. Look how beautiful it is. I actually want to show them with the lights. Let's see that. Do you see all the glitters? I mean, they've probably already seen it on the internet. Okay.
So should you not put like
So I'm gonna be using
here like as a barrier and you can swipe it off? I mean, I see people do that.
No.
Okay.
because I'm gonna do what I did on my face. So just shh. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Because that could end up in you looking whatever better than probably than I did. So I don't need that.
Oh, is this your go-to look right now?
Yeah, this is like definitely like a look that I know won't fail to like flatter me. Like if I am like about to go out and I'm like, oh, I want to look nice, or if I'm just going to work honestly and I want to look like glam AF that day, I'll do this.
IPA is a little strong.
Oh my god, you took 2 sips of it and you're like,
This IPA, oh my.
I'm just really warming it up over here, you know, really.
Oh, you're still on
warming it
this
up.
side?
No, I've already done both of them. I'm just warming it up, you know.
Are you tickling
Just
my
let me
eyeball?
speak. I'm telling the truth.
Okay.
By the way, guys, Mila, one of my old childhood friends. But Mila's the shade that I never actually took a minute to like look at all these shades. Mila's the one I just put on, and I'm about to put 5 a.m. on in the corner.
Can you please the light? You're manhandling my face.
Okay, now we're gonna go back with the bigger brush that Never mind, we're going back to Mila. I accidentally put in 5 a.m. for a second.
Oh, like what?
Blend them in more together. Make them a nice little couple together. Look how nicely they blend. Oh yeah. Wow. Did y'all see that? Oh my god. Come on, you showing that?
Oh. What'd you do?
Nothing. It's fine. It'll all be okay. Just smile. Shut your eyes. Just know I would probably be better at this, guys, if I wasn't like a little intoxicated.
Really?
Maybe. No, not like it's bad or anything. It's good. I mean, it's looking great.
Oh,
It's
okay.
looking fucking fabulous.
I can't even see.
You know? It's looking just like
I
how
think
I
my-
looked at this stage. It's a growth stage.
Right.
It's a work in progress. Right now we're going in with the concealer. Save our eyeshadow lives. Well, actually, let's go ahead and do the lid. The basic trut.
You are Bob Ross and I'm your canvas.
Oh shit, I almost fell to my death. To the light, my dear. Face the light, yes.
Scary. Oh my god, you're putting it so close.
Close to what?
My eyelid.
Don't worry about it. I know what I'm doing. Are you relaxing your eyes?
I don't know. Am I?
My craft is...
What? Oh, your craft. I thought you said my crack. I'm like...
I'm not talking about my craft right now. My craft. Craft.
No, looks good. It looks good. Come on.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Oh, no.
The setting powder looks good though.
Right? That is literally like, I don't know, $10? Probably less. It's called the Inner Eye Brightener eyeliners that they just came out with. Literally built for your inner eye. So it doesn't let you like the water of your eye kind of drown out the color, if that makes sense. You don't really put anything in your waterline though, do you?
Nope. You see
In
the water
middle
eyeliner?
school, oh my god, I tightlined my waterline with black all day in middle school. Well, only for a little bit. It wasn't like my whole middle school life.
This is good enough.
Linky, do you not like them hammering and shit either?
You want me to do that?
No. I love doing that.
Okay. Cry.
Over soon.
Oh my god.
Bear with me. Torture.
Well, eye boogie.
That's a lot.
Eye boogies get stuck in the makeup.
Yeah, it happens to me. I'm like a dog.
When your eye boogie is a part of your day makeup routine.
Gotta get those eye boogies out of there.
Oh no, sis. Now eyebrow time.
Oh no.
So we are still rocking the true to wear. I don't know where I was going with this true to, but basically it's amazing. Everyone knows it. It's the Brow Wiz by Anastasia. So if anyone was wondering, we're using the blonde. Pretty appropriate first blondes I'm using.
I don't even know how to describe them. They just always look like a sad face.
My Apple Watch dude doesn't. It's just shit about my breath.
Oh my god, I hate when that happens. It's always telling me to breathe. I'm
When I
like,
take time out of my day.
I am breathing.
I am breathing. I feel like one day when I'm like having a midlife crisis,
You're gonna shave them?
I'm gonna take my eyebrows off.
Oh my.
Yeah, because I can just make
I
them.
thought you were just gonna shave your head.
No, I'm gonna shave. Well, I might do that too. You might
That'll look weird in person.
Well, I mean, I probably spend a lot of time making that shit look good.
Remember, eyebrows are twins. I mean, our siblings, our cousins. Siblings, not twins. Something like that. Although I feel like yours look pretty symmetrical.
No, they're not though. I mean, I definitely can just blow them. Mine. Okay, you're like really straying from me right now.
I'm trying to please everyone.
How nice. It's all like, oh my god, it's like a model.
But
But that's the one I had to get crafty with. So.
Yeah, I'm like missing hair. Not missing hairs, like, I don't know. Maybe it is. It's sparse.
I love doing contour on you because your cheekbones are already so like pronounced that it takes like 2 pats. I hope that's really nice for you, isn't it?
I don't know.
Every day you get to have a space. You wake up and you go pat pat ah ha.
Oh my god.
You go ah cheekbones for days.
I
y'all.
think I need to practice my bronzer skills because I feel like
Oh, do you want some tips?
I feel like I put on like splotchy and that mixes with my blush and that makes it orange.
Oh, well, you just need to make sure the pressure you're using is really light. See how I'm using like probably lighter pressure if you use than anything else I've applied?
Yeah.
Well, that's the key for blending it. And also, always go higher up than lower down, because lower down is just gonna drag your cheekbone down and not flatter you at all. You can literally feel it, like right under where you put the highlighter. You want it to
Where do you
kind of be
stop?
like touching the highlighter, you know? Like where you still have a good inch away from your mouth, diagonally up, really cradle that cheekbone. You know? I am using the Kat Von D brush for this. I honestly love it. So how I do the nose is I make this like thin like that, and I will just like very lightly as well, just kind of caress. I'll caress the face, the surface of the epidermis. And I always put it at the bottom too. So this blush is actually Kendall and I's favorite blush
Together.
I think they discontinued it.
I mean, no you didn't, really?
Well, it was on sale for like $7. It just wants.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Oh, hello. I mean,
But it looks so good.
sometimes I just like to use the peachy one though. Have you ever tried that? It's so pretty.
I don't think I've ever like hit pan on anything though.
Oh my god, really?
Well, I don't wear
I
makeup
just hit
that
pan
often.
on this. My Park Ave Princess. So this is also my all-time favorite highlighter. That's why the lid is broken off. The Pillow Talk highlighter by Ofra. Chef's kiss. It's just so pretty because it has like a pearly but also like pink sheen. Yeah,
It's just like a fairy.
Go real quick.
Okay.
We're about to be finished. I love to put
You hear that?
highlighter right here. But like I'm gonna take it right there and then on the tip of your nose, just there instead of all the way down your nose like a lot of people do. Babe, really? Hold on.
That's like a lot of sound now. She's trying to talk.
The whole time.
I'll be in the other room.
I'm sorry, babe. I'll tell you when we're done.
Alright, I'm just gonna screw it in the background.
And then we're gonna do lip colors and we're gonna be done.
Yes, okay, please.
What? Stop going over there. I'm
They
working
can't
on
see
this.
my face.
Because I'm frustrated. King was running away from me.
Oh my god, that was so
Imagine, right? Have a canvas and it's like 5 minutes. You are I'm almost done, child. Stop touching my things and nothing bad will happen, okay?
Do you line with that too?
Yeah, it's like a
2-in-1.
Yeah, and it stays on. Mine is on, right?
Yeah.
It locks in the moisture, like it doesn't feel dry. This shade is called Sugar Cane. It's the Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon line by Might. By Bite. Wow, that was embarrassing.
Do you have a stroke?
I might have, maybe. I'll have to watch it back to find out.
It smells like lemon and vanilla.
It's called overlaying. Calm down.
It feels like you're like on my chin.
Did
I'll
you
look
know
like a
that you
Bratz doll?
can even take it a little bit further? Here, you do the top one.
Do you
but make
ever-
it look like my lips. So basically smaller, I think. Less rounded. I feel like mine are more like angular and yours are a little bit more rounded. But
I thought my Cupid's bow were sharp.
I mean, it is sharp, but I feel like mine, like the points are closer together. Does that make sense?
No.
I feel like if there were angles, like mine would be more cute and yours is like obtuse or more obtuse. Yeah, like your Cupid's bow.
No, it's not. What are you talking about? I feel like
Maybe they're the same. Do we have the same lips?
I don't know.
I don't know. I've always thought that your lips were bigger than mine.
I mean, yours are full too, but I don't know. Maybe because my mouth is bigger.
Your teeth are bigger,
Yeah.
so that makes sense.
But
But what I do actually is I take my finger and I like blur it out on the edges so it's not like a stark line.
No.
Alright.
These bangs can't see anything.
Oh my
Am I looking in a mirror?
Oh my god, is that me? Is that dye? It can't be.
I look weird without my bangs.
Put your face like how mine is.
I feel like a fish that came out of the water is like gasping for water.
What? Play dead fish. Dead fish.
Are we done?
Okay. I'm excited to edit this. Hopefully it was good and laughable.
Wow.
I think we had some good moments.
When you manhandled my face the whole time.
Yeah.
Yes, it was good.
Do you think it was good?
Yeah.
It was good. I'm excited. If you want to help my channel out, you could really do that by helping us out. Making sure that you're subscribed. If you're not, I cannot believe it. Unless it's your first video, then like, hey, welcome. What's up? Oh, it's a good time here.
Ring that bell for notifications.
Ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video because the algorithm is not on my side.
Until next time.
And until next time, I love you guys and I will see you in my next video.
Bye.
Bye.